Hello everybody, how are you? Warmly welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart and unique ideas. As like before, today also we brought something special for you. We will share creative and inspiring tips for crocheting. Today's video is all about crochet home decoration ideas. So we'll be going over some techniques to consider you to select the perfect design and color scheme for your home crochet decorating ideas. Dear viewers, first of all, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe it now. If found it helpful, don't forget to share and like the video. Crochet home decorations offer numerous benefits that can enhance the aesthetic appeal, comfort and sustainability of your living space. Here are some benefits we would like to discuss with you. The first and the main one is personalized touch. Crochet items can be custom made to match your home decor, giving your space a unique personal touch. Handmade charm. The handmade nature of crochet adds a charming artisanal element that mass-produced decor cannot replicate. Creative expression. Crochet allows you to express your creativity by experimenting with color, patterns, and textures. Eco-friendly. By using natural yarns and reducing the need of factory-produced items, crochet can be a sustainable choice for home decor. Cost-effective. With some yarn and basic crochet skills, you can make beautiful home decor items yourself, saving money. Customizable. Crochet items can be made in various sizes, shapes, and colors to suit your exact needs and preferences. Stress relief. The repetitive motion of crocheting can be meditative, helping to reduce stress and promote relaxation. Durability. Crochet items, particularly those made from high quality yarn, are often sturdy and durable, lasting of years. Versatility. Crochet can be used to create a wide variety of home decor items, from blanket and pillow to wall hanging and table runners. Warmth and comfort. Crochet items like throws and blankets add warmth and coziness to your home, making it more inviting.